Hello good people, thank you all for stopping by. Please support us by subscribing to our YouTube channel on the Eldo Talk Show and follow us on our Facebook page on the Eldo Talk Show. Thank you.
Hello my people, good morning, good afternoon and good evening to every one of you. Depending on the time when you watch this video, thank you so much for your time. So what I get today, the message today want to get now to those Curtis members when they use the court till they do another thing we not good for a year. Now those people I get this message for, because I know say not be everybody when they this court, when they court, what whichever color when you dey, I believe it not be all these people they use this court till they do the bad thing when they do so. Before you can see the person want use the court they do good thing, it's not common. So that's why they all label say court is a bad one, a bad thing, because many people don't enter, no good result. They mostly come out inside. So the stereotype, like on the day everything now, just like for Nigeria now, some certain tribe that they all stereotype and say these people now they do this kind of thing. You see some people now they show them for news. Even before you read the news, you say this person and this person language another language. That's to do this thing. So without saying you never will click out, you never will watch the news just for the title only. You say this person this location for come from Nigeria. Oh, this person and that location for come from Nigeria. So the stereotype it does they hinder so many things for that our country, even our state, Edo State where for come. So why I come out today, me I be a Edo boy. I Benin for come. And the pattern for come for Benin, many people there is stereotype that area, say that area, no go that area. That area a bad area. Me, I be upper boy. Upper Sakmomba, now upper there for Bomi, now upper for Gru. So when they talk about area we bad for Benin, they must put upper there. Say that area no enter. Why be say now the things we they have for that area? Although even they say people see they stay that area, people see there now, people they did that area. You know why you say everybody they don't there for that area because the area not good. So stay the see because of the area when bad things for the happen, they can't get stereotypes. Say that area na so it be. So my advice to them, my message to them, are those court members. Anybody will be say you don't join court now or you never join, you get time for me to join or you don't first join, you not going to join again. I beg, listen to this message. Not find anything when I talk as offense. So this boy he told this thing and I'm not happy, but it's fine. But I'm just trying to send a message and I need to apologize before and say I feel use some statements, some words. Maybe say you not they comfortable to some people. Please, not take as offense. So having said that, let me go straight to the point. When I they grow they come for that area, why it also for all past Sakmomba, but now for grow. Why they grow they come? Before you come here say you say court is the fight to what me I know that time you say they riot. They riot Niger and ICC they riot. Now what me know that time? Niger ICC riot, you see say school go scatter. School go scatter. That time you don't go tell. Hey, people go they collect clothes. All those people they say everybody will not leave their store. You see people go around carry things for their store. Carry mineral, whether they start the fight, they start the riot too because of say they want enter market go carry things, I don't know. But now what did they happen that time with that? You see, I say people don't enter store, they don't enter store, they'll pack things for store, they'll discharge, they'll run, because now riot they riot and nobody want run, nobody want stay. Maybe say his safety is not guaranteed because I need to not leave my store than to go there. So people won't leave their store for that opportunity. Many students we get bad detention, the whole entire store will pack things because of that thing. Now those fight, now you know see did that time. So this one you call the apple, so the thing don't get be. I talk now say ICC. Remember when ICC did that time? When ICC did, but you know they now. During that time I talk so. If fight once they happen for you say call the fight. That time you say na battle us. They use cutlass take color the person. Color me say they use cutlass they injure the person or they cut the person with battle axe. Now what I know that time, you say that guy they don't color, they use cutlass color the person or battle axe color. Now what you know that time? Before you come say you say this person na cut is gonna carry gun. See he goes down take key person. He dey difficult. He dey very rare. Because that time this gun you know they circulate like this. The only people be say you say this person maybe the person here or the carry gun he carry gun. You know say maybe that person papa he get gun. And most times you see and say those times the papa when he get that gun self. Now if papa they do vigilante for the area. Maybe that man he still lose guard. Now he picking no way they put on. You know say for some area that time. Now that person for that area, now they hold the area strong. If any wahala dey, now you go come in the night, come shoot, bo, make the thief for run. Now what did they happen that time? Not be now, be say before this small thing, you say you tell me, you know where I be for this area, I go run enter you. Guy, if you not join anything, I bet just what you had though. Those one will join something, say, you know Mr. B, I be Coco, I be this. As I told, I say a real chest. They go to the world. Now say till they start. You know I be okay. No worry, wait for me. This one, you know say you join something. You don't want to say you join something. So if you not join something now, it's okay. This guy intimidate me because I not join. You still go join. You still go join. You know say You see as I talk now, my shirt, the color they change to different color. Depending on the one we dey, just they know say na the color dey flash. It dey flash, like traffic light. Even though say the color many, I don't know the one we dey inside, but the color dey flash anyhow, like traffic light. Make you know say the matter don turn, be careful. So why they talk this thing, my people? I beg, any community at all, we not get security. No investors will come. No investors. Imagine you say papa mama. Imagine you say papa mama. When you got the same pikin. It is difficult than say you live one for one person. Not many people will die for this court matter. Maybe say they get pikin, they live one for their wife, may they take off. Because court related matter don't take the papa, don't end the papa life. Some people they only born. Their pikin don't even know them. Their life don't cut short because of this court matter. Waiting me come they see for the matter be say the matter come they divert now. Now before you need to get the stage ready for life before the fee say me you can't join them. But now if that's how they talk, I beg they don't put you. They don't put you. Even so now. They never mind again. They never ask any question again. Hey, Alpha, they will come give you advert for us. They come give you advert. Say, I bet you want join. They come with the answer and say, guy, come join us. Now what you gonna be with that now? Before you want to join, you want to join any group of people, any color. If they give you the list of things you need to get first, you will fear you lose gas. Okay, I beg, I don't want to join again. Because they make it difficult for people to join them. But now, forget to just say, bro, Safa, I want to join. Okay, this guy, you get man. Put on, no worry. Now, what is the ring be that? Now, you say, this guy, no worry, get man. More put on, no worry, more put on. Now, recommendation now. This one recommend the friend. That friend will recommend on that one. Now they do now. Is that how it's supposed to be? How Edo want to be better place? How Benin want to be better place? Let's know our state for some this kind of thing. Say, even as this state small rich, see the kind of thing that they produce. Those kind of things go they clear for you. See Lagos State. People say it was once a capital. Fine, I understand. But Lagos State small. I believe that Lagos State now comes small parts of the whole Nigeria. But now look at the way the development is thriving in that state. Now if there be development, if the kiki they happen every day for Lagos, even though say it was once a capital, it go turn to nothing. Okay, some state now be say don't fight not day like that, like court the way they happen for those states now. The government don't come pay attention to a different thing entirely. Don't come pay attention to a different thing entirely. Money when government want to take do road, they use to take go fight insecurity. I want to develop. Money government want to build school, you channel and take go they do another thing. If Edo State say you're there peaceful, they'll go to carry vigilante. Vigilante all day, you not go there because it's not peaceful. That's why vigilante they come out now. Because it support the security situation for the state. Even though say they still get their own criticism from one people or the other. That's part of life. That's part of life. When they go, they come. You say that they fight to cut is the fight. Now battle house they use. Battle house. You say so that time they say this guy push it, he can't try and go up. He say Baba go help me now before fight can start. I believe say me of they watch this thing now. Now remember that those days. You say you can't throw the shirt go up. As you throw and say Baba God help me now. Now what me I know that time. Say the guy fight. Everybody run. And the year of that time. I say that kind of thing they resist to. That was what was going on then. That was what was going on. I need to go there with that time be that. You say fight one start everybody the fight not be fight you carry go to the keep person now. It not be different. Before you come to say person die for court matter, it dey hard. It dey hard because the only thing they do, they'll leave mark for the person body mark. They'll leave mark for the person body. You get one guy that time will be say they say he engage for court related issue. They go fight. What they do that time, they cut the guy hand. Let me see they cut the hand come out too, but the hand you see the scars when come the hand. The thing they always let me say na say they young the person life. He not dey like that. He not dey. You remember those days now? What do you want this court to do? It dey difficult to join in the first place. Now say you want to go join. Some people that time you say Igbinake and normally want play ball on Saturday. They announce Igbinake and normally want play ball. You say you will be say you dey Igbinake or you say you dey normal you, but say they not put you because maybe say you play ball like that. You still go support your team, your area when you dey. Before that day, you say okay, the match now on Friday. So okay, for example, say the match now on Saturday. Now Saturday the match be. You say on Saturday night you also clean ground. On Friday night you before you sleep you clean ground. So people who sweep down say they'll sweep down in the night say tomorrow may I could go Igbinake. May I go support my the area one day because I want play ball. Sometimes we carry match come out go arrange the feet for first. If Igbinake, you say that feed not big rich. Independence feed not big rich. More can I go Igbinake? More can I go arrange the feed? You say people will donate money. Will donate money, take charter bus, carry go arrange the go play ball. So what has changed now? What has changed? Even those say you want go play ball, it gave many benefit. It keep the youth away from people who want to think about crime. Even some people. That's part of exercise. You see some people now, they don't do exercise again. From one more to jump enter down that one. From one more to jump enter that one. Before they get environment every Saturday. I don't say they say they do it now, but many people know they participate again. They participate again. On Saturday, you see people carry cutlass, they clear grass, follow area, they go say this area today more clear so that in the night if they see who they come, or who they go, or some area now, grass go off the road. You know another place this is bush for security reasons they'll clear those areas. So, okay, let's put this area in order. Those kind of thing. Now what did I see that time when they grow the come? But now things are not different. Even though say that time I be small picky that time, but I still know some kind of things when they go on that time. But now the matter don't turn and that thing it don't go different direction. If you don't now say okay, some of them now why they constantly go to join because say some of them now when they do yahoo, they'll still go join the court. Why? Because if Azama will collect money, he no want give my money. I carry my mate to go win now. Now constantly rain now for some people. You say Azama, you know what be okay. You collect money for my client and you don't want to return. Okay, no worry. I'll show you I be. Me no see go join for that kind of reason. You can imagine the kind thickness, the kind thing they go through their head to go to join. So now just for thing. This boy, okay, that time for school, you beat me. No worry, I'll pay you back. Can you imagine those kind of life? Can you imagine those kind of life? Okay, this guy they intimidate me because I not join. Okay, no wala. You know where I be, no worry. Now me be Egbedin, Ocean. Now me be river. Now me be water. Now me be road. Now me be wheelbarrow. I'll tell you now me be wheelbarrow for this area. Different thing now they come to do now my people. Different excuses now they join. So say for my area, people they fear me. They don't go join. So the whole area strong. Some say because they want time what they know how they pay. They go join. Silly things. One say you want you go join because you know how they pay ticket. If you touch one say you in a budget driver, you go join court. You know so that if I go come meet and say me pay ticket, you know they pay. Silly reasons, silly excuses. Some people come out, they don't go abroad to start the court again. Even some now, if you come out, you enter court. What do they do? Some when they enter court, you enter court to say because me you forget good mind or make things for not happen to you. You go enter court. If you don't enter court finish, fight don't start. You run. Some go to stay hotel. For the past, might I say, some they fit stay hotel as long as the fight lasts. Some 2 years of this hotel. In the night they come out. Can you imagine that? Even some self. They'll come out, they don't go abroad. They'll reach that side, they'll start the court again. They'll start the court matter again. So now, even some self, if they see their own person, their own Nigerian person or a do or Benin person, it's their problem. Because of that person not judge their own color, so now that na different color they day, they not go every person. You can imagine such a life. What can happen to our humanity? Humanity, what can happen? Say this person, because I don't day he color, so what he do me? Can you imagine such a life? Now that kind of life you want to give your shoes, Now that kind of life, you will be senior brother, you dey court. Which advice you want to give your junior brother? You know they, because even now, you don't get court now. Your papa not feel advice your junior brother again. You say, go see brother Y, go see brother B. Why not talk to brother Y? Brother Y join court. You not fit talk to them. I mean, you want to talk to. You can imagine such a thing. My people are beg now. Please, let's try and come together and make Edo a better place. That's my advice. And before I go, please, whoever statement I use for this broadcast or this video, not taken, not say as offense. Now how our state, our community go take better 9 me a day. I believe say you want to watch me and I used to day. I believe say you want to watch me and you don't join court, you want to come out a beg. The government has put a machinery in place for you to say you don't want day gay. Please use those necessary machinery so that you come up for this issue. What I get for you be that. Thank you so much. Please share this video. Thank you for your time.